Now, we've been investigating the Sushant Singh Rajput case non-stop. Our investigation continues. Now, first question is, and let's remain, please stay within the ambit of the questions asked. We have today tracked another of Disha Salian's friends. We've knocked on their door, and their family member, almost in fear, says, no, nobody is here, everybody is busy right now, no, we can't speak, we are scared, we cannot speak, a lot is going on, the truth will finally come out, but we can't speak, we can't say anything, we have been told not to speak. Now, this common script, Barnali, I want to start with you. Does it appear to you that a common script has been handed over to all those who were at Disha Salian's party and all the family members? Because if there is nothing to hide, why is everybody who attended the parties speaking the same line?
That is the problem, actually. I think I totally agree with you, Arnav, because I feel I've been following this case right from the very beginning. Completely, right from the beginning, there's a hush-hush thing going on. Right from the investigation, there was no proper investigation. The media is doing the job, actually. It seems that the media has taken up on the investigation rather than the police investigating the case. If Disha's friends were worried about her, they would have cooperated. I mean, nobody wants to know that why she committed the suicide. Nobody wants to know that. Nobody wants to, give her justice. I mean, they're just as if it's all tutored. In Disha's case, as well as Sushant's case, it only seems that the entire thing has been scripted and it's been tutored.
And where is her phone? The other question which comes up, if you allow me, Barnali, Mr. BK Jain, where is her phone? Her phone and all those who she called, encrypted, non-encrypted internet calls. The detail is in that.
As far as the details are concerned, they'll be available in the CDR.
In the CDR. So where is does the Mumbai police have the CDR?
I have no idea. I have been saying.
What about the phone? What about the phone? Was the phone with Rohan? Who was a fiancé? Was the phone with Rohan? Is the phone in the custody of the police? Barnali, relevant question?
The phone number has an IMEI. It can be traced.
Absolutely, it's a relevant question. It's a case of circumstantial, both the cases are cases of circumstantial evidence. There is no direct evidence to murder or suicide. Even if it was suicide, there is no suicide note. Even if it is assumed that it was suicide, then what about the investigation then? What about the investigation regarding abetment to suicide? Have they found that out?
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.